So, how to create object toggle animations. You're going to click your avatar, and then you're going to click this tab called Animation, which if you don't have, you can go up here to Window, Windows, and Animation. You're then going to press Create, name the animation. You can either then press Add Property, then under Armature, you're going to click down here until you find either the object you have on your avatar. So we'll do glasses, and then you'll press the little plus button here, press Preview, and then click the little checkbox. You'll then select this Go to End Animation Clip, and then click this as well again. You can then preview the animation by pressing the little play button. Another way of doing this as well is to press Preview, Record, and then going under your avatar, selecting the object, and then under Inspector, selecting it on. Stop recording, go back to the first slide, and then check again, and there you go. Making sure from the beginning to the end you have it so that the object is toggled on. And that's how you create a toggle animation for objects.